Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is a video tour of 1141 West Addison in Chicago. This is a 3-unit building located in the Wrigleyville neighborhood of Chicago. As you can see, it is less than 1 block away from the main entrance of Wrigley Field. And it's also very close to the Red Line. Walking into the front gate, this is a garden unit, so it's a couple steps down. You can see the mailboxes for all 3 units are right there. As you enter the unit, on the left is a coat closet. Entering the living room, there's a large window, so you get lots of natural light, and there's 2 ceiling fans. The first bedroom here on the left, it's a fairly large bedroom with a large closet with mirrored doors. There's hardwood floors throughout, except for tile in the kitchen and bathroom. It's central heat and central air. Going into the second bedroom, there's a deep closet. And going back into the kitchen, it's quartz countertops. There's a large, deep kitchen sink and all stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and refrigerator. There's also washer dryer in unit. And there's the furnace on the left, and the hot water heater is in the back. Going out the back door, there's a small patio, and as you walk up the stairs, you can see there's parking. There's parking for 9 cars. This unit has where the white car is, so there's 3 spots in tandem up to the alley. And that's Racine. And this is the Cubs parking garage. And that's the back of the unit.